Okay, Joe, Plum Crazy Restorations. We're looking at the big block that came out of the 1967 Camaro convertible. Upon disassembly, we've noticed that the number 4 cylinder, the piston is clean compared to the rest. The carbon has been cleaned off of it, and there's some craters and gouges in the top of the piston. Looks like it's had some detonation going on. It's definitely a concern whether there's a crack in the block or what's going on here. So at this point, I think we're just going to take it down to the bare block and send the block off to get hot tanked and magnafluxed and make sure there's no cracks going on there, and then we'll continue with the rebuild on this engine.